Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Do you want to know what this button does right here? It's like a play button on this Roomba vacuum cleaner. This is the J9 Plus self-emptying with auto refill. It's got the auto refill system right here, but we've got this big like play button right here. So they call that the new job button on the clean base. Okay, let's see if we can get it to work. I press it, so it does, okay. Looks like it woke the vacuum up. Okay, that means it's going to start cleaning everywhere. So it's traveling right now. And that's pretty much what it did. Okay, looks like it's going to start with the hallway. But it's going to clean my entire house now. Now, once the vacuum's going, pressing this doesn't do anything. But I can come up here and tell it to go home. So I hope this video helps. At first, my button, I don't think it was working when I first got this vacuum, but I've had it now for about 3 or 4 months. Maybe they did an update or something. Now when I press it, it does seem to work. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.